The Milton Keynes Model Railway Society's annual show is coming to the Ridgeway Centre on the 7th of June 2025. There will be free parking and a refreshment van to serve you food and drink. We have more than 25 layouts booked to attend, including Brinklow by the Milton Keynes Model Railway Society, Carterton by Chris Tutor, Linebrook Yard by Stephen Farmer, and New Dalby by Andrew Porter. With more than 10 traders, including AGR Model Shop, Cheltenham Model Shop and Elaine's Trains. Adult tickets are £8, children aged 5 to 16 are £2 and under 5s go free.